sorry. I'm truly sorry. Please forgive me, please. Please.
Forgive you for what? Huh? No, tell me, forgive you for what? When you always report me to your father and always insult my family.
Baby, please just forgive me for everything you just mentioned. I'm truly sorry. Please, it won't happen again.
I know you're sorry, but you've always, you've actually done what is on your mind.
Baby, I love you so much. And that's why I do this most times, but I regret it. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Please, 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 please. Please forgive me. Please. Baby, please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Please. Please, I'm truly sorry. Please. It won't happen again.
Where are you? Where are you? Bring it now. Don't worry, you love. You love. Okay, now prepare the oba. Okay, and be fast about it.
Sir, that's all.
Yes, that's all. Make it good. Make it good.
Sir.
As usual.
Nnamdi,
Okay? Yeah?
what are we doing in a place like this?
Baby, see here. It's not about the look. It's about what they're cooking. They cook very good food. Okay? You have to test this meat. Come on, eat.
Nnamdi, you need to have some class sometimes. Okay?
Wait. Are you saying I'm classless or what?
Something like that. Yes.
Me?
You are classless. Well, that's not a problem. I guess that's why God brought us together. Since you are classless, while I am an embodiment of class and poise, over time I'm going to fix this.
Babe, leave nagging. Nanuta, yotem nako. Okay?
So me stating what I don't like now means I nag. Nnamdi, are you saying I'm nagging?
Babe, you're nagging nanuta.
I don't understand you. So I cannot even see something I don't like and say, oh, I don't like it. You brought me to a place, the whole place is hot, I'm sweating. Look at my face. I thought you were taking me to a Chinese restaurant. I don't understand.
You still look beautiful. I like you the way you are. Okay? It's not about Chinese restaurant. They don't cook, or in Chinese restaurant, they don't do oba and isiu. Okay? What they do is frog and all that.
What is wrong with you? Look at this place. How can you bring me to this place?
So you taste African food.
You know what? I don't blame you.
Meanwhile,
I don't blame you. I blame myself for bringing myself with you to this idiotical...
Becky, bring down your voice. Bring down your voice.
Who cares?
You're creating sin already.
I don't care. That's the point. I don't care. Who is here? Listen. Don't you ever in your lifetime bring me to this kind of place. Ah! What is it? I don't even understand you. How did I even stoop so low to a hillbilly like you?
Becky, you're making noise. Where are you going to?
Whatever.
Where are you going to, Becky? Becky?
I know this face. Nnamdi, right?
Bibi?
It's been
Bibi
a while.
London! Wow. What are you doing here?
I should be asking you that. What are you doing here?
This is my normal local joint. I come here to eat isiu, oba and all that. I like their stuffs here. Yeah.
Well, my boyfriend owns this place and he's out of town for now. So I come from time to time to check on the business.
Okay, you take care of it now. Okay, that's nice.
It's been a while.
Baby, guys, we love.
Man eater. So you couldn't just wait for me to leave the table. Nnamdi, what are you doing? Who is this prostitute?
It's not what you think.
And you prostitute, what are you doing with my man? You are not excused.
You don't go around disgracing yourself, calling people names.
Really? Who are you calling like disgracing myself?
No, easy. You see why I said this rubbish can never work between us? Huh? You see why I said that? How can I shower myself with disgrace and shame? How can I imagine laying some shame and disgrace upon myself today?
Disgrace? Disgrace? You stupid and unromantic fool. You had the guts to incite that lunatic against me. For God's sake! What were you even thinking? You kissed her in my presence, in public. God knows how long you've been sleeping with her. Just wait. You just wait until I tell my father. I must tell my father about this.
And what more can you do if not to tell your father? Huh? What more can you do? No man in his right senses will not think that you're one of those brats sleeping around with your father.
What? Is this what you think of me?
I don't know what you are.
That I sleep with my father.
No?
No.
I don't really know what you are. But I might be right. Yes, I might be right. And listen, let me give you a word of advice. If you continue saying this, or if you tell your father and he chases me away, I'm a man. I can go ahead and marry another woman. But you will never, ever find a genuine love from any man if you continue with this rubbish.
My fault. I never asked him to take me to that kind of cheap restaurant in the first place. How could he? What nerve?
Becky, you know your problem. You were acting spoiled. Yes, that's right. Spoiled.
Wow. Jessica, just wow. So, expressing my dislike about something is me being spoiled. How does that even connect with anything? How?
Men hate a nagging woman. Once you're perceived as a nag, it irritates them. It turns them off. So stop it.
Irritates them?
Yeah.
Jessica, that bastard insulted me. Do you know what he said? He said I behave like people who sleep with their dads. Just because I said I was going to complain to my dad about something he did.
This is even the worst part of it, Becky. You report him to your dad. Do you know how that makes him feel? As a full-grown man? Come on now. You shouldn't be saying all that.
So now you care more about his feelings than mine, right? Okay, a minute. Did you hear the part? I know I just told you that. Where he said that men will suspect that I sleep with my dad. My dad, of all people. Can you imagine that?
Becky, shut up! Keep quiet! You have to stop being over-attached to your father. I mean, it's irritating now. Every small thing, I'll report it to my father, It doesn't sound nice. Grow up, Jerry!
What's wrong with this one? I was the one who was insulted. She's the one who is nagging and getting angry. And she's trying to claim she has feelings and... excuse me? And now you're telling me how he feels? What nerve? Can you imagine? Who does that? Who? In this day and age, my dad. Who else am I supposed to be attached to? My dad. Come on. What? This is preposterous. I'm attached to... What you get? I'm attached to my dad. Baby, I've been apologizing to you since morning. Why can't you just forgive me? Please.
Is this the first time we are going through this route? I told you that this thing between us cannot work.
Baby, please don't say that. It can work. That's why we're in this together. We'll make it work.
I'm not in anything.
Please, baby, please, forgive me.
We are just in nothing together.
Please don't
okay?
do this to me. Forgive me.
Excuse me.
Please, please. Don't leave me, please. Please, whatever you want me to do, I will do it. Whatever, I promise. Please. But don't just...
It's okay, it's okay. I have forgiven you. But you have to do one thing for me.
Anything at all. I'll do it, I promise.
Baby, thank you so much for your understanding. Even though I totally messed up. Thank you.
Come on, it's okay. For what? I mean, I understood why you reacted that way. You know, every woman should protect his man, especially when it comes to the kind of Nnamdi I used to know.
Oh, thank God it's Nnamdi you used to know, not me, not this one.
Tell me, was it her bad?
Well, Nnamdi used to be a prince.
Guess what? He's totally behaved now.
Yes, so.
This is the meat.
Oh. Okay, well, where am I?
People wondering.
Yes, get me water first, okay? Yeah.
Thank you. This actually tastes nice.
This actually tastes nice. The other that was telling you to test the meat. You were fighting. You were fighting.
Stop nagging. You can see men also nag. Come on. This is really nice. Thank you. Thank you. Wow.
Come in.
I am so very happy about the decision you've made today. It is indeed a thing of joy for me. And most importantly, it is happening at a profound point in time. Not just for me, but for my daughter and my family at large. You see my daughter here. Her happiness is a priceless thing to me. Something I don't and cannot compromise. And I hope that I have single-handedly raised her to be a proud and great woman ever since I lost the mother. I just hope so. Becky, I'm sure you are very happy now.
Oh, Dad, I am truly, truly happy. Being your daughter, I chose right. You know, if not that I am your daughter, I don't think I would have picked him. But since I'm your daughter, I have good taste, so I picked the best.
Look, not just my daughter, a very cherished one at that.
Oh, Daddy.
Nnamdi,
Oh, sir?
it appears you are not with us in this conversation.
I am, sir. I'm here. Just that I'm a bit distracted with something.
And what could that be? Is it something that is crucial, serious, that we need to talk about?
Not really. It's not something that's serious. It's just I have some things to do at the office, which I'm supposed to do 2 days ago.
Nnamdi, I keep advising you, take it easy with work, okay? You are increasingly, overly engrossed and concerned about office work, and it ought not to be so.
It's okay, sir. I will slow down.
Good. Slow down. As a matter of fact, it's a command. Slow down, okay? I am convinced, beyond every reasonable doubt, that both of you will make a perfect couple.
Of course, sir. Of course.
I'm so glad.
Thank you, Daddy.
Can't you hear her cry? Can't you see her tears? Can't you feel her pain? After all her waiting for years, this is all you have to say to her.
Papa, you still ask how I am. I'm not fine, Papa. The truth is, I'm not fine at all.
I know. Can I talk to you?
Yes, you can, Papa. It's just all so shocking. I waited for Nnamdi 12 years. No complaints. Nothing. I rejected suitors that came for my hand in marriage. Only for him to come back and do this to me.
Okay, you know what? I'll come to the house to see you and your mother, okay?
No problem, Papa. I just want you to bear in mind that what he has done to me is not fair.
I know.
Very well then.
Sorry about that.
Thank you, Papa.
And this is not fair at all. This is inhuman. Please consider if it were you, how will you feel? This is not
So, my mom, where on earth have you been?
Where else? I have been in the #1 city of Nigeria,
Where is
Abuja.
that? What?
You heard me.
Abu what?
Abuja.
I can't even stay there. It's too overrated. No. Abuja. Hey. Go there.
Okay, people who cannot afford houses in Abuja, that's how they talk. All right, so I'm not confused.
Look at this man. Meaning what?
Well, I don't know what it means though, but that's by the way. Let's talk about you. How have you been? Where have you been? And what have you been doing?
My guys, see me now. I'm here. Doing my thing. Doing what I'm supposed to do. Working for Mr. Redfield.
I know that.
In fact, as we speak right now, he has made me the general manager in one of his companies.
Really?
Yes.
Congratulations, my man.
Don't say that again.
Now I see the reason you don't want to take a step.
What now? We are happy.
Well, that brings us to a very good point.
Okay.
How you should be talking about settling down with your village
girlfriend you've been talking about. I mean, get married and get responsible.
And what if I tell you I'm getting married soon?
Really? That's nice.
Sir.
Yeah, Nnamdi.
Please, I would like to do something here and now before you.
Is it something very important? Well, of course, feel free to. Go ahead.
Becky, please, will you marry me?
Yes, yes, she will. She will.
Yes. Dad.
So what happens to this your village girl you've been glamoring and talking about all these years?
You mean Adane?
Exactly. I thought you should be getting married to her. So, tell me what happened.
Things are a bit complicated right now. I am getting married to Becky, just to just impress the father.
Are you aware that this might not go well if you're not careful?
My brother, I have no option. I have no option right now. You know, Chief Rayfield has done some tremendous things for me. He has helped me a lot. So I don't think I can disappoint him at this time.
You have chosen whom to disappoint. I understand you're doing all this as to reciprocate the kind gesture Chief Rayfield has done for you. But don't you think it's going to jeopardize your happiness and what you stand for as a man? Think about it.
Girl, I could not believe my eye when he made that move.
Hey, babes, wait. Are you saying he proposed to you in front of your father?
I don't understand. Are you doubting me?
No, I'm only trying to make sense out of it, you know?
Make sense out of what? This is sheer jealousy.
Why would you say that now?
Why would I say that? Just look at the way you are behaving. You're supposed to be congratulating me, not...
I who said I'm not happy with you? I'm happy.
But your countenance says it all. You're not happy. You know what? Whether you believe it or not, Nnamdi proposed to me. And I accepted it.
Congratulations, my friend.
Oh, that's too late. Not necessary. Actually don't need it anymore. Please, excuse me.
Hey, this is my friend and childish attitude there. What did I say? Congratulations, and she's angry. Anyway, soon to be Mrs. That's nice. I'm happy for you, my friend.
So you are here and your daughter is about to be killed by that witch. Huh?
What do you mean? I don't understand.
Let me tell you something. As I'm talking to you now, Azuka is fighting your daughter seriously in the market square. Yes, my own daughter. She even stripped her naked. In Reba na Jum.
I don't like him.
Yes, so.
Mom.
This is like I go people. Let's go.
If I don't kill Azuka today, I will know why.
I'm going to know why you are Musu.
Azuka!
Where is she?
Azuka! Where is that aunt that's calling herself?
Come out! Come out here!
Oh, yeah, come and fetch me.
Come out! Come out! Like a mad dog inside my compound.
Come out! Come out!
Come out! You still have my. Look at you still have my.
Look at you there. Look at you there for some. Look at you there for some.
You still have my.
Look at her. Nonsense. Look at her. Idiot.
Look at her.
Idiot.
Leave her. Let's go.
Next time you touch my daughter.
Let's go.
Next time you touch my daughter.
Let's go.
I will kill you.
You will not talk again.
I'm not fear.
You will not talk again.
If not God, happier.
Talk. You don't want to talk.
Or what's your role to talk?
Let's go.
If not God.
Let's go.
I'm not fam.
I'm not fear. You're a young woman. Then look at me.
Mama, what have you done? Why did you go and fight Nnamdi's mother?
She needed to be dealt with. And I have dealt with her.
What if Nnamdi hears of this? What do I say?
Oh, you're still thinking of that one? You're still thinking of that beast?
No, it's not that, Mama. But I was the one she beat up. And I told you not to go there.
Oh, what right does she have to beat my daughter? Eh? What right does she have? It's my right to defend you. You are my daughter.
Mama, yes, I understand that part. But when he hears of this now, how do I explain?
Tell him everything that happened. Explain to him how his mother beat you in the market. And if he fails to understand that, let him be. Yes, let him go. Oginidi. What right does she have to beat my daughter in the market? On her poala.
I told you not to go there, Mama. Eh?
Don't worry. Next time she will see what I will do.
There's no next time. Don't go there, Mama.
Oh my God.
Let me do it for you now.
No, take it easy, Can't you see it's painful? If you don't want to take it, just leave me alone. Let me be.
Why are you shouting now? Have I not warned you from that to stay away from that family? Isn't it painful enough that you stopped yourself from marrying that girl? Now you want the mama and the poor girl to go to early graves. Is that not so?
Hey, you must be a very foolish father for you to think of encouraging your son to marry that prostitute.
You are insulting me?
Please.
You want me to break the other hand?
No, you're a foolish man. No. Just wait and see what I will do to that man dog and daughter. Don't leave me, don't do it. I'll put this into you now. Don't.
Stop it! Don't blame you. I'm trying making trouble. I'm trying to help you and you.
Officer, that's the woman. That's the woman.
Yes,
Arrest
yes,
her. Officer, arrest
You're under
her.
arrest. You're under arrest.
I did not do anything now.
Go.
Move. I did not do anything.
Move.
I didn't do anything to you.
You beat me up with your friend.
Let's go.
Azuka! Azuka!
Let's go.
America.
Officer, she's inside.
Come out,
Look, wait. She's there. Officer, look very well. Oh, come out. She's in there.
Who is that?
Officer, that's the woman. Arrest her.
Come on, sir.
Come out.
Come on, sir.
Come out. Huh? What happened to you? You and Elisa. Beat me up. And you're asking me what happened to me. Officer, arrest her. Wait.
You're under arrest. You're under arrest.
Who is lying? Who is lying? You and Elisa didn't go to my house or beat me. Is this how you are, Soka? You didn't go to my house or beat me. Did you? Yes or no?
That stupid woman that called herself Madam Azuka. That woman is very stupid though. Just because her son came back with a new car, so she not thinks she's the president of this village. She's not carrying her shoulder like this, doing buga. Idiot.
People can misbehave.
Imagine.
Honestly.
What bitch woman. That woman there. My friendship. Mama, have you heard of what happened to me? Mama, now. Mama, why are you ignoring me now? What is it now?
Tell me why I shouldn't ignore you. Tell me. When you insult me in every conversation I have with you.
I'm sorry now. See, babe, we are friends now. See, sometimes friends used to crack jokes.
See, what you do to me is not a joke. You know it. It's not a joke. You're always looking for the slightest opportunity to show me that you have sense.
Okay. Sorry now. She has apologized.
And also, see, I don't have sense again. Are you happy now? My friendship.
Leave me alone.
See, Ma, I have gist for you. Ma, now you still angry with me?
I'm not now. I've heard you. Please, I'm going somewhere.
That means you're angry with me now.
I'm not angry now.
Then if you're not angry, then talk to me now. See, I have gist for you. Come, leave the song. See, I have gist for you. Do you know what happened today? You will not believe it. Do you know that Mama Nnamdi arrested Mama Danile this afternoon? Hey!
Why?
Because of their fight. As I'm talking to you now, Mama Danile is sleeping inside the cell. And I'm sure they locked the cell and threw the key inside the bush. And you know what one that is paining me? The daughter was not even around when all these things happened.
Hey! Anyways, I trust Adani. She will find a way to bring her mother out of the police cell at all costs.
You are right. You are right.
Anyway, that's not my business. That's my business. I'm just giving you the story. But this thing is not fine, Sha. It's not nice.
Please, I'm going somewhere.
Ma, you're not angry with me, right?
I said I'm not.
Okay. I'll come to your house later, yeah? Will you keep something for me? Will you keep food for me?
See, let me tell you. You see this smile that I'm following you to smile like this? It's not from my mind though. You know I've not completely forgiven you.
I'm sorry.
She's sorry now.
You know what? Babe, I want to follow my friend to her house. I'll meet you later, yeah?
Come, let's go, Joe. Let's go. Let's go now. Let's go.
Okay, Ma, I'll come and see you at your house, yeah?
I'll come.
Ma, I promise I'll come. We're going to the market. I'll come and see you.
Okay.
Ma,
you know what? My anger is raised to power.
Don't worry, let's go.
I'm sorry.
Let's go.
You need me, sir.
Let's go. Okay, you want me, I'll follow her. Let's go, Joe.
Ma, I will come to your house.
You prepare over me, Abi. You prepare over me. Okay.
My friend, I don't really see anything wrong in you getting married to Amadi. Amadi is a nice man. He's one of the best men in this village, which every girl would love to be with.
Chinelo, are you okay? Can you hear yourself? See, somebody I caught red-handed on bed with another girl is who you want me to spend the rest of my life with. Do you even wish me well?
Hey, but he has apologized to you now, eh? He has apologized. Better you take him back home. Amadi is a nice person. He's a nice person, my friend.
Chinelo, Biko kwa. Biko, I did not tell you that I'm in a hurry to get married. I did not tell you, okay, just look at it this way. Somebody that we are not yet married and he's cheating on me with another woman. Imagine if we marry, what will happen? Maybe I will now be called the first wife among many others. No, I beg, I don't want.
My friend. It's better you forgive him and take him back before you would do.
Adani is gone. Adani is gone.
Hold on.
Adani. Where are you rushing to?
I want to quickly get something from the street down there.
So you don't know that they've arrested your mother and her friend Obioma?
Police arrested my mother.
You better go to the area commander and go and look at your mother.
Yeah, are you sure?
You better just go to the area commander and look for them. Go and see your mother.
Are you sure?
Will I be lying? Which one is my mouth?
Your mouth. They will soon dump you the way they dump you. Please come, let's go. Let's go.
See, I don't know. So it's a crime to say the truth, Daddy.
Hello? Nnamdi, if you know what is good for you, come back home. Come back home now, else I will do something unimaginable. This is not going to be like 12 years ago when I waited for you. If you know what is good for you, come back home now. Because I've taken more than enough from your mother. Enough! Stop calling me and come back home. Enough is enough. Stop calling me and come back home.
I told you to release that innocent woman. Eh? What is wrong with you? Release that innocent woman from the cell.
And I told you that I'm not going to do it.
3 consecutive times I have been to the station to bail that Eliza. They will not accept. All because you lied to them and they fully believed in it.
Nine, is it my fault that police are doing their jobs? Is it my fault? You and I know that before you bail those people, you must pay. And I don't have money to pay, Nine. I've told you that.
Oh, you had money to go and arrest them, but you do not have money now to go and bail them. Can you listen to yourself?
Hey, Nine. Hey, I don't just know what your interest is. What is your interest in this? In this case, just tell me what is your interest. Eh? I see. I'm beginning to suspect you. Nine.
Suspect me?
Yes. For having an affair with Eliza.
You must be out of your mind.
Me, out of my mind? Eh? Okay. No problem. Let me tell you, from today onwards, my eyes is on you.
My eyes are on you too. Let us
Abeg. Hey! Eliza. Woman lapper like you. Eliza, I'm sure you are sleeping with that woman and I will catch 2 of you one day. Nonsense.
Wait!
What do you mean what happened? Didn't your mother call you to tell you what happened?
Call me to tell me what? I know you're not here to remind me of the 12 years you waited for me.
Please, I'm not here to remind you of any 12 years. Your mother beat me up at the market. My mother retaliated. And your mother arrested her, detained and arrested her for 3 days till now.
What? My mother did that?
Please, I'm not here to discuss 12 days or 12 years with you. Just instruct your mother to release my mother. Immediately. Please. Please.
Eliza thought that she can play with me. I'm going to teach her a lesson she will not forget in a hurry. Eh? When I finish with her, from today she will start respecting me. After this incident. Hey, Nnamdi! Oh, my son, Nnamdi. Nnamdi! Hey, Nnamdi!
Mama, how could you?
How could what?
How could you? Hey, Mama. You're pretending as if you don't know what you did. You got Adanne's mother arrested. And also detained her too. Why would you do such a thing?
They beat me up. They beat me up. Look at my body. Look at everywhere it's paining me.
Mama, listen. I do not care to know what she did. Go there and get them released.
So you won't even believe me. You won't believe me, my son.
Mama, do what I asked you to do. Just do exactly what I asked you to do.
Son, you're back.
Papa, why would you allow Mama to arrest Adane's mother? And also detain her?
It's good you're here. Here she is. She doesn't listen to me. This woman doesn't listen to me. I have told her repeatedly to go and release those women. She refused. Instead, she's been insulting me. At every slightest opportunity, she abuses me.
Your father is sleeping with Eliza. That's why he's so always interested in her case.
Eliza?
Yes.
Eliza?
Can you hear that?
You won't believe me.
Mama, please. Go there and get them released.
I know you will not believe me. He's always sleeping without my ear. He's always there. You will not believe me. You won't believe me.
What has come over her?
Search me. I don't know.
Mana, Papa. You're not gonna panty Eliza.
More.
You're not gonna panty Eliza.
More. Not possible.
Babe, are you saying he traveled again today?
Yes, so he said he had an emergency.
What sort of emergency is that?
How am I supposed to know?
You mean you didn't ask him?
Ha! Did you just ask me that? No. Did I hear what you said? Hey. People of the world, see me. If I say something now, they will say I said something. Now I did not say anything, no, and they said I did not say anything. Please, what am I even supposed to do now? Somebody answer me. Later you will join him to accuse me of nagging.
Babes, there are some vital information you need to know about your man. What if he has a woman at home in the village?
Excuse me? Are you for real? Are you talking about my man or someone else? Please. My man, Nnamdi, does not do that, okay?
I am sorry. I didn't say he did. I'm only saying what if? What if?
And you're still repeating it.
Whatever.
Don't do that, okay?
I'll leave you to unpack. I'll be in the room.
Can you imagine this girl, though? Besides, I don't need to unpack anything.
Can't you hear her cry? Can't you see her tears? Can't you feel her pain? After all her waiting for years, this is all you have to say to her. This is all you have to say. stuck too long. After all my sacrifice.
And what are you doing in my house? Eh? What do you want?
I've come to see you and to apologize over what my mother did.
There's no need for that. Eh? Inanu, there's no need for that. Or have you come to arrest me like your mother again?
No, God forbid, I can't do that. I can't do that. I came to apologize.
Then get out of my house.
Can you at least listen to me, please?
I say get out before I do something nasty.
There's no need. There's really no need for an apology. Nnamdi, please, just go. Oh, no need. Everything is okay.
Get out before I do something I will regret, oh. You want to come and rub salt on my injury? Nonsense.
After all my sacrifice, I can't be rich to go
He's going. Eat your food. He's already driving out.
I've lost my appetite.
Mama. You cannot reject your food because he came here, Mama. Just eat a little. Hmm?
This is the outcome of the risk you took in waiting for Nnamdi.
I've truly realized how stupid my actions were, Mama.
Sometimes, my daughter, the only way to satisfy our desire is by acting in the most foolish way. But then, we must have learned our lesson from our mistakes and become a better person. Nnamdi could have been an aspect of that, but he decided to take himself out of the picture. My daughter, you have a beautiful future ahead of you. It is time for you to get up and explore that aspect of it.
I don't understand what you're saying. In fact, nothing makes sense to me anymore.
You have always wanted to go to school and become a medical doctor. This is the time for you to pursue that desire of going back to school.
School?
Yes.
I finished secondary school 15 years ago.
My daughter, I know you can achieve anything you put your mind to. I'm sure of that.
Who will sponsor me? We don't have any money.
I know. Make up your mind first. I'll speak to my brother.
He doesn't care about us.
Don't worry, I will give it a try. Hmm? Who's calling you? What does he want again?
I don't know. Hello?
I've been waiting for over 2 hours now.
I waited 12 years, and not for once did I complain.
I never meant that.
Well, I mean what I'm saying.
You don't have to be too hard on me.
What do you have to say? If you have nothing meaningful to say, I promise you I'll walk away from here.
I wanted us to talk.
What about?
You and I.
There is no you and I. You and I is in the past. If you don't have anything else to say, can I please leave now?
At least you have to give me some chance and some time to talk to you.
What do you have to say?
What do you have to say to change what you did? What could you possibly say to me to heal the scar you've given me in my heart? What could you say to wipe away the entire shame you've put me through now? What do you have to say? There is nothing you or anyone can do to change this. 12 years. I gave you 12 years and this is what I get?
Since you came in here, you've been attacking me. You've not given me time to talk. Can you at least listen to me? Hear me out.
My only crime is that I loved you.
And this is not fair at all. This is inhuman. Please consider if it were you, how will you feel?
Get away. Yeah, this is got to go. Get. Stop.
My love, nothing in this whole wide world is capable of snatching you away from me.
I know, Nnamdi, but sometimes I'm afraid.
You're afraid of what, my queen?
What if we don't end up being together? What if life happens and we don't end up together? What then?
My love, nothing will happen. Nothing will ever happen to our love. Let me lose my mind the day I will marry another woman over you.
No, put your hands over your mouth. Don't talk like that. Walls have ears. Spirits are passing. Words are powerful. Because no one knows tomorrow.
I can't afford to lose you, no matter how hard I try.
Whenever I see you, I rejoice. Whenever I see you, my heart skips.
Whenever I set my eyes on you, I feel like fainting.
When did you add that? It's nice. I like it.
And my heart.
Ada, Mama. You are still here?
Yes, Mama, I'm still here. Mama, there's something I need to tell you.
Right now?
Yes, Mama.
No, my daughter. Let it wait until I come back. I'm already late for the women's meeting.
No problem, Mama.
You know?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to take care of yourself, okay?
I will.
And take care of the house.
I will.
If it were you, how will you feel? This is not fair.
Welcome back to me.
Thank you, my dear.
You must be really tired.
Very, very tired and very hungry. I'm so famished. Is there anything to eat?
Baby. Well, when you called, I was still at Jessica's house, so I didn't have time to prepare anything. Besides, I don't know how to prepare your kind of meals.
My kind of meal, or you just don't know how to cook.
Why are you embarrassing me? You know what? I knew you'd be hungry, so I asked...
The vendor to bring some food.
Exactly.
As usual.
What's that? You know what? Let me get you water while we wait for the food vendor, okay?
It's okay.
I'll be right back. Okay, here. Baby.
Yeah, baby.
I couldn't sleep last night.
I saw you again?
No, not that. I was just thinking about you. I
I love you so much. And I appreciate everything you do for my dad. Thank you.
That's okay. You see, your dad is just like a father to me. Yes. And I love you so much. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you.
Are you sure?
Yeah, sure.
Because sometimes I feel truly afraid.
I have a new slogan for us.
Okay, say it, let me hear.
Whenever I see you, I rejoice. Whenever I see you, my heart skips. You like it?
I love it. And my own should be, whenever I see you, or whenever I set my eyes on you, I feel like fainting. Oh. I'll faint.
Get up, you play too much. Up.
I will just faint. Whenever I see you, I feel like, I will just faint.
Nnamdi, I want you to always stand by me. Just love me just the way I am.
I promise I'll always be there for you. Always. I'll never leave you.
I like this new chapter. So whenever I see you, I rejoice. And whenever I see you, my heart skips.
Whenever I set my eyes on you.
Baby. Baby. Baby.
Yeah. I'm fine. I'm just having a slight headache.
Oh, so sorry. Let me just get you some medication.
No. Don't worry yourself. I'll be fine. Okay?
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Well, I've been meaning to ask you because you didn't tell me what you went to do in the village.
Okay, my mother needed to see me. I have some things to sort out for her.
Can't you hear her cry? Can't you see her tears?
Whenever I see you, I rejoice. Whenever I see you, my heart skips.
Did you say something now?
Please, don't start this again. Don't start. Not now, please.
No, I heard you say something now.
Nnamdi, I didn't say anything. Don't come with this again. What's that now? Stop, please, stop. Not now, please.
Whenever I see you, I rejoice. Whenever I see you, my heart skips.
You just said something now, right?
Whenever I see you, I rejoice.
What is going?
Stop. What are you saying?
What? Are you? What's wrong with you? Are you okay? Stop, please. You're hurting me. Stop. What's happening? You're hurting me. Stop.